Hello, my name is Arianna Entero. I am a junior at Rutgers, New Brunswick. I am going to show you how to make a parol, which is a Filipino holiday decoration. So when I used to live in the Philippines, I knew that Christmas was coming when these stars would pop up in front of the houses and around the city. Parols are colorful lanterns in the shape of a star, typically displayed inside or outside of the home to celebrate the Christmas season in the Philippines. Here are the materials we will be using today for this project. To begin, we're going to create the frame of the parol using bamboo sticks. Once assembled, cover the frame with cellophane, gluing each piece together. We can decorate our parol however we choose, whether through various colors and designs. I used paper designs, some beads, and a little yellow star for the center. Additionally, we can even add string or LED lights inside. I can't wait to show my grandma the parol that I made. So, Mayong Pasko!